They come. Oh, right here. Look at this. Right here.
Holy.
Right here. Right here. Right there.
Oh, cool.
And under us. There's a baby right there, too.
That was cool.
Cool.
Here they come. They're going to sink us.
Go that way.
Here, here.
That was cool, eh? They went right under.
Is that the big male again?
Right here. That's Ruffles right there.
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
Wow.
And a mom and baby went down.
Oh, damn, we just missed the jump. I hope that caught it.
Okay, another one.
They're both doing.
Yeah.
She jumped again, and
And then this one here did this. Spy hawk right over here. Came straight up to look at him. So we had a breach and a spy hawk. You guys all saw the tooth?
Yeah.
When my family comes out from Winnipeg, they, for some reason they want to do this all the time. I don't know why. They're like, Jeff, can you take us whale watching? Okay, we can go whale watching.